guys, what is good? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today I got a pretty exciting one. I'm personally pretty excited to get into this one. I made a video on how to make the Yeezy Infinity Loop lacing system interchangeable with regular lacing. I did have some people say that, yeah, that's a lot of work just to change your laces. Well, unfortunately, that's pretty much the only way you can do it. Now, I want to do two things in this video. One, that you can put an infinity loop lacing system on any pair of Yeezys, and two, that it is not actually that hard to do and it doesn't take that much time at all. Now, you do need a few things. So you need some black tape, some insulation tape. It doesn't have to be black, it just needs to be insulation tape. You also need some kind of sewing kit or just a needle with some thread, and then you need your laces. So today we're going to be using this pair, the Zebra 350, and I'm going to be putting infinity lacing on this pair. So again, obviously this doesn't come with the infinity lacing. However, I thought because I already have white laces, I have the little white rubber sheath from the 380 video, I thought why not just chuck it on here and see how we go. One thing I do want to say before we get started, the laces that I have are from the Yeezy 380 calcites. So I have the old infinity laces that were used on that pair. Now ideally you would have a pair of these lying around, which again, I understand many may not. This is the cover and this is what's going to hide the mess that is underneath. So this, I'd say, is pretty essential. Now, if you don't have this, I'm pretty sure you could find something that looks like this, but again, that's a whole different topic that I don't know, I'm not going to get into. This is the only essential part because you could even turn regular laces into the infinity style. It really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to unlace this pair. There we go. So unlaced, this is the original laces. Let's get them out of the way. I actually just need to chuck this over there just to fill that space. Once you've unlaced it, is get your frayed pair of laces. Now this is only for people who's working with frayed laces. All we got to do is just tape the ends so that we can actually get it through the eyelets. Now you can use, I've got some insulation tape, or you can just use some regular scotch. I'm gonna try both, see which one works. Now you really don't want to use that much tape. You just want a little bit. There we go. And there's the other. Nice, easy, quick, simple. It pops through like a dream. You can grab it on the other side. So let's lace this one up. What you want to do now is remove this tape that you've put around. Again, you can use this insulation tape, which I would probably recommend just because it's a little bit stronger than scotch tape. Probably the most important step is to put this on your lace. So make sure that is on your lace. It doesn't matter which side, as long as it is on there, because once we sew these together, we need that rubber bit. Needle and thread, mine is white. It really doesn't matter what color it is. And all we're gonna do is just hold these together. Again, overlap, you don't want that much, just marginally so that they're kind of together. And all we do now is just back and forth, in and out. So when we pull on it to tighten up the shoe, it stays locked down and it's not just gonna tear apart. So you don't have to go crazy, but you know. Needle to the side, boom. Here we go, slide your rubber bit, and now you have an infinity loop lacing system on a pair of Yeezy Zebras. You can pull on that. That is tight. That's not going anywhere. That is staying strong. So, did that take long? No, it didn't. It took maybe about 8 minutes from start to finish. If you thought that it took too long in my other video, that could be my fault. I could have just made it seem a lot more complicated than it actually is. It's very simple. And that pretty much wraps it up. You've seen it. I don't need to do the other one. You've seen it on this one. It makes sense. It's very easy. Let me know if this is a look that you like for the Yeezy 350 Zebra. Thank you so much for coming through, guys. Thank you for hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.